Tignan nyo tong laptop na gamit ko. This is the Asus TUF Gaming F15.
Thank you PC Works for sending out your wonderful laptop.
It's powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7. And of course, the main highlight for today's video is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series. This laptop is built for performance, having a 144Hz refresh rate with up to 64GB of RAM. And I'll tell you what, yung mga RTX AI features nitong laptop na to comes pretty handy for me. Whether when I'm editing videos, creating content, or if I just want to binge in playing my favorite games, the AI features on this laptop can elevate everything. Pwede ka na rin magkaroon ng collaborative creator dito dahil sa laptop na ito. And that's all thanks to NVIDIA's RTX AI technology. Imagine diving into a game called Nakara Blade Point with RTX turned on, mula sa langit hanggang sa ripples sa ilalim, casting dynamic shadows that shift with your every move. With RTX AI, the visuals don't just look stunning, they immerse you, making every scene alive and feels like you're really there. When gaming, smooth performance is everything, especially kapag merong fast-paced action, like frame generation. Yung AI ang nag-anticipate kung ano ang susunod dun sa mga lalakaran mo. It fills the additional frames para maging fluid yung gameplay natin. It's as if the laptop is predicting what your next move will be, making every move feel effortless. Now, as a content creator, having NVIDIA Broadcast installed on your system is like having a personal assistant on your laptop. Imagine you're reading a script in front of your monitor, but instead of looking in front of your camera, why can't you just directly read the script and let AI do its work? Now, because of NVIDIA Broadcast eye tracking capability, although it's still in beta, it just looks like your eyes are directly staring in front of the lens of the camera. Samahan mo pa ng AI noise cancelling. Now, you can also use NVIDIA Broadcast to record yourself and use AI to have noise cancellation on your video or in your audio recording. Okay, so let's test out the noise removal. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm trying out the NVIDIA Broadcast right now. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm trying out the NVIDIA Broadcast right now. It can filter out the noise coming from the background, like yung aso ng kapitbahay nyo, or probably the moving cars passing by on the street. With these tools, making content would be way easier. You are going to be creative in this. Imagine mo gumagamit ka lang ng paintbrush para, mag-doodle-doodle.
You're already creating art because of NVIDIA Canvas.
For me, if you're an artist, this is really useful if you want to generate ideas really quickly. It's a powerful way to make your rough ideas and turn them to something beautiful and very creative.
Now, if you're a developer like me and you find it challenging to work with complex data and troubleshoot difficult issues, that's where NVIDIA's Chat RTX comes in. It's an AI-powered tool that lets you customize datasets, connect to your own content like documents or even images, and generate contextually relevant answers in real time. It's powered by advanced RTX acceleration and it supports various file formats. And you can run this locally on your system.
What will you do with all of these power? RTX AI takes the experience to the next level. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa specs ha. It's about the possibilities that you can unlock.
With features like DLSS 3.5, frame generation, Chat RTX, NVIDIA Broadcast, and NVIDIA Canvas.
No. You're not just working with a laptop. You're now collaborating with artificial intelligence. If you have this laptop, how would you use this type of technology? And with RTX AI, there's no limit to what we can achieve.